Today we'll see how flowcharts and pseudocode are like friend. They tell the same story in different ways. One uses pictures, the other uses words. A flowchart is a picture made of boxes and arrows. Each shape has a meaning. Oval, start or end. Rectangle, action step. Diamond, question or decision. Parallelogram, input or output. Flowcharts are like treasure maps that guide us step by step. To get to know about detail on flowchart, we have another video on it. You can check out link in the description. What is pseudocode? Pseudocode looks like code, but it's written in simple words. It doesn't run on a computer, but it helps us plan. For example, this daily routine example. Let us convert this flowchart to pseudocode. All we have to do click on this button. And converted to expected pseudocode. And here we go. We got out pseudocode for this example. Start. Brush teeth. Wash face. Eat breakfast. END. So simple term, it's same steps as the flowchart, but written like instructions. Example of if/else condition. Tea making. Let's make tea. Flowchart says. Start. Boil water. Put tea bag in cup. Pour hot water into cup. Steep for 3 to 5 minutes. Condition statement, remove tea bag. Enjoy your tea. And in pseudocode, accept the rectangle step. Condition statement changes to loop, and loop will execute till if condition is not get satisfied, that is whether have been steep the bag till 3 to 5 minute or not. Once time over, we have our tea ready. So in simple term, you can see that the boxes and arrows match the steps in code. Flowchart arrows become if/else in pseudocode. So flowcharts are pictures, pseudocode is words. They tell the same story. Benefits. Flowcharts help us see the big picture. Pseudocode helps us write step-by-step instructions. Together, they make problem-solving easier, faster, and more fun. Flowcharts and pseudocode are best friends. One shows pictures, the other shows words. Try making both for your next project, and you'll be a problem-solving superhero. Rocket, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun learning.